Sometimes they're on that lawn, but I can't see them. There you are. Hey! Good. Missed you yesterday. Good. Let's give some to the little guy and Mumsy. Little guys. Here you go, dudes. Where's everyone else? Oh, there's more of you. How have you been, dude? You okay? Yeah, this is what it's all about, isn't it? Connection with the nature. Loving, helping, sharing, experiencing. Trying. Right, Buster. Just gonna see if there's anyone else who needs some. Be right back. Gimbal reset. Hey, little lizard. How are you, bud? Sophia? There's more hens around here usually. Let's see him today. Hey! Speak of the God reincarnated as a bird. I don't want to say the usual phrase. I wonder what I should say. Speak of the love. Yeah. Dude? Yeah. It's for you. Alrighty. Whoa. Nice landing. There's a few around here. Lifted. Lifted. Guys, yeah, there's some up the path. A bit further up. Lizard man. Or lizard. Not a man. There he goes. Or she. Awesome part. Wash it down with a tasty beverage. That's it. Nothing left. Finished. Finito. That's it, dude. Sorry. Okay. Hope to see you. Guys, that's it, I'm afraid, for now. I'll see you again soon though. Maybe they missed out, I'm not sure. That's it guys, finito. For now. Look at this fruit. Do you eat fruit, guys? I'll open one up and see if you like it. You tried this before, look. Whoa. Flipping heck. Mango. Like a little mango? Try it. Delicious. Or is it a mango? Yeah. Oof, that smells good. I'm going to eat that. If you don't want it, I'll have it. What's that? About it? Mmm. So juicy. Right. Sugar. What's going on? Did I mess that bit up? I think I did. Got mango off the ground, off the tree. Delish. Tasty, juicy. Let's plant more fruit trees. So you don't want to try it? Good? Huh? Alright. I'm seeing it's run out of scarpy. Alright. Wow, this is a really good mango. Where did it come from? Is this a mango tree? Well, I bet.